In the part 1 video, we saw how to create your own green screen effects in Canva for free. But I think I didn't show it clearly as to how to animate your graphic within your video editor, Camtasia in this case. So in this video, we will see how to add motion effect animation to any graphic within Camtasia. So you will see that the plane will be flying from right to the left side of the screen, just like this one, similar to what we saw in the previous part 1 video. Now watch till the end to see its resulting output, and you don't want to miss it because you can now stop searching all the green screen graphics outside on the internet, and you can start creating all by yourself. Let's get started. So here's a graphic I created in Canva. This is a simple GIF image. Of course, we can also import any GIF image from any copyright free sources and then import into your video editor and then do that animation. So let's now focus on the animation. For now, I'm going to download this page so that I can import this into my Camtasia editor. I'm going to download this as an MP4. So let's download page 8. By the way, you can simply use your free Canva version to do this. You don't need the Canva Pro for this effect. Yeah, so once this MP4 downloads, I'm going to import this into my Camtasia. Okay, here's my Camtasia. Okay, import media. Got it. Perfect. Let's quickly preview this. All right, I've got this one. What's my project setting? It says let's keep it at 1080p. Okay, now this is filling my screen. Let's go into visual effects to remove the background color. Just drag and drop this into this media, and in here, if this green is not picking up, use pick color. So you can select the color from this green and it goes off. Now we need to adjust this tolerance to make sure this green outline is not visible slightly. Okay, let's make this background white in color so we can see the strings. Yeah, okay, now let's adjust the tolerance bit, softness a little bit. You might want to tweak these settings to the extent how you want it. It might differ for all of us. Adjust the deep fringe part. It is somewhat better. Now comes the important part. Going to animation. Let me zoom this a little bit more, and go into this animation and drag this custom animation. Now let this arrow be in middle. You want to define the starting position. So before this arrow, you might want to move this outside of your screen like this, wherever you want. It should not be visible on this rectangle, this screen for you, the window, the pane, the actual screen. Okay. And once this is done, I'm going to stretch the animation. Go to the end of this, as in keep your, what do you call this? Keep the seek bar here, the point in your timeline after the arrow ends, the animation arrow ends. And in here, you might want to adjust this and then get it outside of your screen. So if in case you want to do this from top to bottom, you might want to do it in that similar way, wherein you push the graphic to the top of the screen outside of the view, and then after the pointer here, the custom animation, push it down. So now I have moved it from left to right, and keep the animation complete so that you'll see the graphic in full swing. Let's now see the preview. Okay, it is too fast and then it slows down, and for that we need to adjust the animation by right clicking on this arrow, go into enable easing and say linear, so that there is no a quick start and then a slow ending. We don't want that effect. We want that motion to be linear. So let's try the preview again. Thank you for watching, and before you leave, please wait. Now, in case you missed to see the first part of this video where I showed the exact process of how to create green screen graphics in Canva for free, watch this one. Or if you want to learn a few other cool Canva techniques, watch this playlist. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, you please keep creating. Bye.